Good morning to one and all gathered here. Today our topic is about automatic drug dispenser. This is just like a daily example. I'll just tell you. We'll be having a doctor prescription for the every patient will be receiving. But after that, when they go for the pharmacies, they'll be having a long queue lines will be followed by many people. So it takes a long time to purchase the medicine. So we came up with a solution of an automatic medication machine like ATM medication machine. So this will make the process uh, man, just open the second slide. Yeah, as coming here, I'm going to just tell you about the two case studies for the doctor prescription machine description papers, and coming for the normal people who approaches their medication machine. When the person will get the doctor prescription paper, he'll be having a QR code and a barcode will be written in the paper. So when he go for the user authentication and the identification, he just identify and give the access permission for the person. And coming for the prescription validation, it validates against the database to ensure the accuracy, and it also cross verifies the perception. And the perception dosage will be up to the safety limit of what the doctor will be given for the dosage perfect. And with integrating with the secure payment facilities, like you can go with an online payment and also cash packs, and it also gives the accurate dosage of the medication of the dispensing. When it comes to the normal people, authentic themselves by the PIN codes, biometric smart cards, and even by the QRs, where the user input, there itself the person stays the details for scanning the bar or the QR, where it selects the prescription medications from a list displayed with the touch screen or the keyboard, where the touch screens will be in the curve of capitative touch screens and the resistive touch screens. And it also confirms the dosage of what the person is going to take, and it also applicable for the machine for the payment medications also. And the machine will activate the dispensing for the correct medications. And it also updates us for the low dosage stocks, where it gives alertness to the manager of who the machine is going to be handled. And it also gives the access to secure the retrieval area. And coming for the alertness, it also gives the manager for the alert for the storage of medication when it is less or more. It also connect with the transaction for the helpline, which is provided in our machine at the top. And my friend is going to tell about the hardware and the internal process of the machine.
Sensors in the ATM medication machines are weight sensors, optical sensors, proximity sensors, infrared sensors, vibration sensors, cash handling sensors, barcode sensors, temperature sensors, cash handling sensors, and touchscreen or keypad sensors. Now I'm going to explain about the hardware in the ATM medication machine. Internal working of the ATM medication machine involves in the microchips. There are the many microchips like Intel Core i7 9700K, ARM Cortex M4, Raspberry Pi SoC, NXP IMX6, Arduino microcontroller. Now coming to the Intel Core i7 9700K, a high performance microchip used in the computers for processing complex tasks. ARM Cortex M4 used in the embedded systems and IoT devices due to its power efficiency and real-time processing complex capabilities. Raspberry Pi SoC used in the Raspberry Pi board for various computing applications and projects. Now coming to the NXP IMX6, it is an SoC used in a range of applications, including consumer, industrial, and medical devices. Arduino microcontroller, it is widely used in the prototyping and DIY projects. Now coming to the software, here are the many functionalities and components are provided in our ATM medication machine, like biometric SDKs, facial recognition, fingerprint recognition software, custom middleware, and operating system. Now coming to programming codes in our machine, C++, Java, Python, SQL are used in our machine. C++ is often used for developing software for hardware interfaces and low-level system interactions. Java is frequently used for backend processing and managing transactions. Python can be used for various aspects, including server-side processing, data management, and high-level software development. SQL is essential for managing databases and medication information, transaction history, and user data. Now, my friend Sneha will explain about the uses and the process of the ATM medication machine.
Yeah, thank you, Shri. Now I'm going to continue about the process of the ATM and how to access the medication from the machine. The first step, user can start with two different ways. First is you can get medicine using QR code by scanning by given by the doctor, and the second is they can get medicine directly by entering their user ID and the password if they are regular users. It is just to avoid the external process. They can get fixed prescribed medicine directly. Coming to the QR code process, they can get directly by scanning the QR
Just a
code
minute.
given by
Light is not visible now.
yeah,
Sneha,
okay,
just
ma'am.
light is not visible to us.
Ma'am.
Whenever ma'am, can you see? Light is not visible for us, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think so. Ma'am is out of range. Her network band is low. Just we'll wait for a few minutes, ma'am. Let her upload the
Okay, ma'am.
slide and you can. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, kindly share the presentation, ma'am. Ma'am. Sneha, now you can continue, ma'am.
Ma'am, next slide.
Next slide, Gunti.
Yes, ma'am. Coming to the QR code process, they can get by scanning the QR code given by the doctor. It will calculate the total amount and provide you the total cost of it. You can make the payment through online or through cash. Once the payment is done, the internal process take place and you will get your medicine of required quantity delivered and the user can access to the medicines. Coming to the use case of the ATM, you can install them in hospital wards, nursing homes, pharmacies, and specialized care units like ICUs. And it can also be used in research centers. Coming, the main advantage of the ATM machine is it is user friendly, saves your time, multiple language options, voice detection. It can also provide the manufacture date and the expiry date, and it gives only the required dosage of the medicine given by the doctor. If the user wants the extra dosage of the medicine, it won't provide to avoid the suicidal cases. And now my friend Tanmay will continue.
Coming for the dependencies of our ATM medication machine, we can go with the technologies of hardware, software, and the operating system of the database. Coming for the inventory management, even the security measures also will be taken, like network connectivity, robust database to secure the medication from the machine, and even integrating with the perception validation of the doctor, and even the hardware components for dispensing the medicine from the one place to another by using sensors and microchips, which was shared by our friends, and the interface for the medication, and even for the regulation compliance and the payment processing. Coming for the coming with, and it can wait for the 150 to 200 kgs, and for the cost it varies from 3 to 4 lakh. And even we are going to provide some special features as my friend discussed for the video appearance, even going with the AI chat GPTs, where the person can know about the medication of the drug clearly about our chats. So, and the payment processing is also available in the UPIs, and even the liquid cash will be also provided. So, this is my idea about any questions.
Hello. Tanmay,
Yeah, yes. Yeah, yes, ma'am, please.
Tanmay, is it audible, ma'am? My
Yeah,
doubt
yes,
is
ma'am, yes.
how we can take this technology to a rural people. It is well known for an urban areas, people those who are well versed with the mobile technologies all right. But how we can implement this to be possible and it should be made in a rural environment. If there is any
Yeah, ma'am.
idea,
Yeah, ma'am. For this only, we came up even with the voice detection. Ma'am. We'll be providing the voice sensors there using the microchips that the person can directly contact with the manager of this particular machine handler. Ma'am. So he can know what the medicine he have to take, and everything will be given by the manager of that.
okay, the
So even
languages are common for the specific locality, or you have fixed any 2 or 3 languages for the voice
it is
detection?
the person choice, ma'am. He can go with Telugu, English, Hindi, whatever language it was appropriate. He can.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.